my project overview. I'm going to be talking about what my project is and general consensus of it. So it's my final major project is going to be a sci-fi graphic depiction. So there's going to be a lot of pieces, maybe 4 to 5 pieces of final art. My target audience is going to be around like ages 12 and above because space is nice and delicate like that. So I feel like this is an okay range for it. It's not too violent. It's not too small. It's just perfect. The overview of my FMP. Originally, I was gonna do a extended animation from earlier in the year. I was gonna extend on the story and everything, but it was gonna take too long. What I wanted to do, it was gonna take forever to do. So I just fell back on the space graphics. So like I said, I'm doing 5 to 6. I feel like that'll be appropriate. Yeah, that's the general overview. It'll be apocalypse based. So it'll be like a bunch of like explosions and like cracks and stuff. It'd be really cool. Let's see. All right. So the skills I actually need to complete my FMP is having experience of Photoshop. And with all the skills I actually learned last year, I feel like this should be just fine doing this. So last year I was kind of on training wheels, but this year I should be finding creating my own assets from scratch with Wacom tablets and all that. So that's the skills I need. Equipment requirements, computer, preferably a Mac, a Photoshop license, which I already have, access to the internet for information, tools, and everything like that, access to my Wix account for inspiration from previous work, and a drawing tablet, preferably a Wacom. That's the equipment I feel like I need. Short and nice. See. Problem solving, any issues? The biggest problem I could have is file corruption. I feel like that's the only thing that's a big major issue. And I could lose all my work if I don't take the proper precautions. So to counteract this, I'll have multiple copies of the same file as backups on my laptop, my college Mac workstation, and the SSD that I'm carrying. While I can't actually stop file corruption, it really does help to minimize the damage can be done. And yeah, that's it. That's it right there.